There are different types of bread maker machines available on the market. Each product comes with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Making the right decision takes a lot of your valuable time. I did extensive analysis and read lots of reviews and articles to make a list of the best 5 bread maker machines from famous brands. That may help you make the right decision. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. The Hamilton Beach Home Baker 2-pound has unique features our test kitchen loved, including being the only bread maker reviewed to come with an extra kneading paddle. The keep warm and quick settings offer flexibility when baking. While it runs a bit warm, our testers did note that the home baker creates a deliciously flavorful crust. Comparatively, more dried flour stuck to the sides of the loaves during the kneading process with this machine than others. It's also primarily made of plastic, which does give it a cheaper feel next to some of the other models. Positive side. This affordable machine is often on sale, comes in 2 colors, and is great for loaves of multiple sizes. Number 2. Cuisinart Bread Maker. Up to 2 pounds loaf, new compact automatic. Designed to produce loaves in a variety of sizes. The Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker offers additional flexibility by including 12 pre-programmed options, a 13-hour delay start timer, and options that allow you to bake various types of bread and control whether the crust is light, medium, or dark. Its slim vertical baking pan, with easy release, makes use and cleaning simple and keeps the machine slim and suitable for counters in smaller kitchens. Despite its suggestion that it can produce 1.5, and 2-pound loaves, our lab discovered that the 2-pound loaves weren't very successful, so this machine isn't a good pick for anyone looking to produce a larger loaf with regularity. Even if you never use the machine for baking large loaves, the Cuisinart Compact Automatic produces incredibly attractive and evenly brown golden tone loaves of bread, suitable for gifting. Number 3. Zojirushi BBPDC 20BA Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. Our best bread maker overall is the Zojirushi Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. This bread maker is easy to clean, with features designed to support a wide array of yeasted breads and doughs, an easy window for viewing, and a large LCD screen for simple operation. It also produces beautiful loaves. The lab team found that Virtuoso Plus's 2 dough blades allowed for thorough mixing in the dough stage, which created better quality crumb in almost all the recipes tested. The fully programmable cycles allow a home baker to program kneading, rising, and baking times in keeping with whatever the recipe may call for. In 90 minutes, it produces a thoroughly mixed and well-risen dough. Our testers also like the way the timer displays when the loaf will be ready, which is great for a hands-off baker who just wants to know quickly what time the bread will be ready. Number 4. Breville Custom Loaf Bread Maker. The Breville was hands down our favorite machine in terms of customization. It comes with a booklet of recipes that specify which type of paddle needs to be used, and the progress indicator shows you where the bread is at each step of the way. The design is easy to use and attractive. The bread basket is simple to put in, the outside handle stays comfortable to the touch while in use, and there are backlit buttons as well as an oven light inside. The real difference here is our test kitchen, noting that the Breville loaves turned out fluffier and sweeter than the other breads. We recommend some hand mixing before, as there is a concern with flour clumping during kneading, but the loaves turned out well enough for us to fall in love with the Breville Custom Loaf. Positive side. This machine has progress indicators that help produce balanced moisture and fluffier texture. Number 5. Zojirushi BBSSC10WZ Home Bakery Maestro Bread Maker. The non-stick interior of the Zojirushi Home Bakery Maestro was a godsend for our test kitchen, which recognized that flour can often clump together in any bread machine's kneading process and didn't have that issue with either Zojirushi machine. The Maestro has an extremely usable timer that displays the time of day the bread will be finished rather than a countdown, as well as an LED display with text that lets you know when add-ins like nuts or dried fruit can be, well, added in. It also had some of the quietest kneading and alert beeping we saw in our assessments. In short, this bread maker is like a polite roommate, and we're not complaining. Taste scores of the loaves ranked high here. While we don't feel the Maestro is amazing at everything it does, it excels when it comes to producing white and whole wheat breads. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.